Okay, we are going to make a Faraday cage in all of the cavities in our guitar. The inventor of the Faraday cage was Michael Faraday. Made his first one in 1836 and tested it by zapping it from the outside while he stood inside. Well, that doesn't sound too safe, so we'll pass on that. The working idea, of course, is the enclosure is once lined with conductive metal tape such as pure copper. When electricity or certain types of electromagnetic radiation and or radio frequency fields hits the cage, the conductive metal distributes the charge around the enclosure, protecting whatever or whomever is inside. Real life examples, some people line their wallets or bags to protect their smartphones, laptops. You ever drop a call while in an elevator? That's the same principle. Almost all computer chips, RAM, etc., as well as all sound, video, LAN cards, all come in an ESD. That's electrostatic discharge shielded bag, which of course is just a simple Faraday cage made by impregnating the material that the bag is made from with a conductive material. Ever wonder what keeps some microwaves in a microwave oven? Well, now you know. My issue is the introduction of radio frequency and electromagnetic radiation noise into my guitar by having to work in close proximity to a computer and its peripherals, and the solution is to line the cavities and their covers with 100% pure copper tape. Now, the copper tape must have a conductive adhesive, and soldering the cages together to the instrument's main ground. So let's just get right on with it here. So first thing I'm going to do, I know I've already done this, so I'm just sort of going to open this up so you can have a look. I've removed the screws from the cover. We're going to remove the cover with a piece of tape. I don't pry at it in case I chip the paint on the guitar, which I really don't want to do. So as you can see, metal foil, copper foil completely covering the plate, as well as, and I'll just show you here, the entire cavity is completely lined with copper. Now you're going to have to make sure that you insulate the bottom part of the circuit board with like a piece of construction paper. Thick construction paper is what I used, or you can use like cereal box cardboard or some such insulative material. Now you notice the copper foil comes right up the sides and goes up onto the top where the plate fits on. That way it makes contact with the copper on the plate and becomes a fully enclosed cage. Now something you want to do is between the cavities you're going to want, and here's the copper tape, comes just like your regular tape. Now something you're going to want to do is join the cavity copper foils together with a ground wire that's also attached to the ground. Now I use silver solder because it doesn't oxidize like regular solder does. I made my own wire using 100% copper stranded wire to join the two, and of course on the inside of this cavity is completely lined the same way as the other cavity is. Okay, so that pretty much covers it. If you like this video, of course, mash the like button. If you want notifications when I post new videos and new covers in the future, do subscribe. And if you know somebody that needs to see this and they're doing a project similar, feel free to share. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.